How long does SEO actually take?
SEO can be done in 5 days. It could take 18 months. Everything is based on a few factors. So you have A, is the site brand new? There's a term called Google Sandbox that's legitimate, that it's difficult to rank something in a competitive niche in the first 4 to 6 months. In a non-competitive niche, it could work. It depends on the type of URL. Is it ABC construction? Is it roofing Nashville? Is it what's some variation of in between those? So it depends on if the URL is brand new and what type of brand new URL it is. It depends on what links have been sent to the site previously, and are those good links that are going to help it? And the site was just built poorly on a deficient web builder. So unfortunately, for everyone we talk to, that's why we don't have buckets, if you would say. That's from the old phone book day that says, okay, you have SEO bucket, one that's 1,500, one that's 2,000, one that's 25,000. You get this, this, and this. Well, that's okay. You have to have goals. You have to have expectations of deliverables. But what's going to work for customer A in city B is going to be completely different than what's going to work for customer X in city Y, especially when they're different industries. So I think that's what customers appreciate about what we do. We can take a look at them and say, okay, we see this is what's happened in your site in the past. We see this is what's wrong with this. We think we can honestly do this in X amount of time. And I would say, tell me if you agree, I think 9 times out of 10, we hit or exceed those expectations. So we just have to look at different factors before we can say, okay, it's going to take this long to rank this page or this phrase in this area. So unfortunately, that's the short answer is there's no definitive answer. It depends on competition and different factors.